Hey guys, today is the system test 2 of my home fire system. In this test, I am planning on still having a second speaker. I don't know if it's working properly, but I gotta test it. So you guys can sit here on top of my installation. Hopefully that works. Okay, it works, but it's very quiet. You guys can probably hear. It's not as loud as I want it to be, which means that this side may be louder. And the reason why, I don't know why I keep doing this, where I'm talking before I do the actual testing. Sorry, please comment. I don't know if the comments are on or off. I really just started YouTube with like 20 videos. I just love uploading. But please comment if you think I'm talking too much about this stuff. I think it has to do with resistance of the switch, because the switch is a 125 volt DC single pole switch, which I don't know, who knows, but I almost bet you a dime to a donut if I were to pull the pole station, it would be super loud in here and very quiet out there. I don't know, maybe I should put a switch on that side. Comment down below if you want me to do some sort of outdoor pole station. Anyways, let's try to get back into the system test. So, same pole station as yesterday, same speaker. Okay, and here in the distance, this is just testing. So we have a second pole station. Sorry if the sun's in the glare. I am completely sorry. This video has bad lighting, bad sound, random things like that. We are doing the same tone as yesterday. You guys remember as yesterday? I did try to do the promise, but, oh crap. Let's do some system testing. We have the keys. Okay, ready? Is that a good tone? Fiberglass ladders, always good. Yeah, I am filming in a Chromebook, so. Remember, same keys yesterday. Push this back in all the way. I really need to make this loud on both sides. Comment down below if you know what's my problem. And let's go outside real quick. I really have to poop, but I don't really feel like ending this video because I have this all prepared and I have to unprepare it for the next video. So the next video, I don't like spoiling it, but I like giving you guys what's happening next. I am going to simply put probably a second horn out here. It's very quiet. It was not like this yesterday. And that's probably my question. Come on. Man, it's hot. I really wish I could make it louder. This is the normal everyday speaker. If you guys are another firearm collector, please send me a few alarms that you don't want. I would prefer for a pole station a Firelight BG12LX. Even a Firelight BG12L would work, and probably a system sensor P2R, I think it is, but a spectral alert system sensor spectral alert advance. That's what I mean. Guess that'll wrap it up for now. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those in the comments section down below. And of course, make sure to subscribe. Bye. There's also a video here, and that's a subscribe. Bye-bye.